Yes.
Assalamu alaikum to everybody. In the previous class, we have finished chemical equilibrium concepts. All theoretical ideas we have done. Walaikum salam. Now let us today start with the numerical problems. If a mixture of 3 moles of hydrogen, mixture of 3 moles of hydrogen, walaikum salam. Nitrogen and hydrogen so as to give you ammonia. 3 moles of hydrogen. When you first of all balance the reaction, you should write a proper equation. So N2 plus 3H2 gives you 2NH3. This is not the number of moles given to you. These are called stoichiometric coefficient. These are must and should. Now at time t is equal to 0, 1 mole of nitrogen यहाँ लिखना है, 3 moles of hydrogen यहाँ लिखना है. Luckily they are coinciding. It does not mean to say that 1 mole of nitrogen means this 1 mole. No, he is not talking about this 1 mole. He is talking about given number of moles, and this is called stoichiometric coefficients, which are mandatory, compulsory. You cannot do anything other than that one. Otherwise, you are not obeying the conservation of gram atoms. What we have said in our stoichiometry, POAC, principle of atomic conservation. Now this is 0. Time t is equal to 0. This is not possible. Now I have written this arrow only a half arrow. Actually, here in this case, when you see this reaction and when you are under the impression that today we are doing problems of chemical equilibrium, you expect me to write down reversible symbol, right? I have to write in that way because you may be under impression, sir, we are studying today problems of chemical equilibrium. Yes. Therefore, we expect double-headed arrow, right, as we are indicating for reversible. But see this word, completely converted. This implies he is not talking about reversible reaction. Reversible reactions never goes to completion. This line is 4 marks question. Reversible reactions never goes to completion, right? Therefore, I should write like this. Now, at time t is equal to t. For every 1 mole of nitrogen, we are in need of 3 moles of hydrogen. As much is requirement, so much is available. No one is insufficient. Both of them are available as sufficient. Therefore, this is finished, and this is formed as per equation. Job is over. Now, PV is equal to nRT. He is saying constant temperature and pressure. Therefore, this is out. But remember, in case of chemical equilibrium problem, this is not necessary to mention constant temperature and pressure because we are doing the work in the lab. Pressure is constant unless and until he specified change in pressure in the problem. Temperature also, if he is not mentioning pressure and temperature, it means automatically we have to understood it must be a constant quantity, right? Okay. Now R is universal constant. Therefore, what we got, volume is directly proportional to number of moles. That means he's asking ratio of initial volume to final volume. Ratio of initial volume to final volume. When you're discussing ratio, the constant will be cancelled out. It means he's talking about ratio of initial number of moles to final number of moles. And what is initial number of moles? Total number of moles. I'll write here n total. What is n total? 4. And what is this? 2. Therefore, initial number of moles to final number of moles. Answer is dash. Go ahead. Complete that. If it is over, indicate, I'll proceed. Question number 2. Equilibrium constant K. 2H2O gives you 2H2 plus O2 2.1 10 power minus 13 and
السلام عليكم.
2 moles of CO2 gives you 2 moles of carbon dioxide plus oxygen. All of them are in gas phase. 1.4 10 power minus 12. Find K for H2 plus CO2 reversibly gives you H2O plus CO. Right. Now, in such cases, nothing is to be done. Simply, we have to manipulate, because in the previous class when we are discussing the problems, theoretical concepts, we have said that if two independent equilibria are added to get third equilibrium, the equilibrium constants are to be multiplied. If you are subtracting any two independent equilibria, so as to get third equilibrium, we have to divide equilibrium constant. Now go ahead, solve the problem, tell me the answer. If two independent equilibria are added so as to get third equilibrium, then their equilibrium constants must be multiplied. If two equilibria are subtracted to get third equilibrium, their respective equilibrium constant must be divided. Tell me the answer. Yes, anybody? 6.66. Abrar. Check your calculations. Anybody else? Out of 67, any student? If two equilibrium reactions are added, Acha, you have to add one more thing here. Coefficients also you have to check. Coefficients must be also same. If suppose they are not same, then you have to multiply by number, right? Divide by some number. If you multiply by number, it becomes power. Anybody answer? Come on. What is to be done in such problems? Jasim 3. Khair, करीब है. Your answer is very close. However, I will write down in brackets correct answer 2.58. 2.58, right? Difference बहुत ज़्यादा है. चलिए. What is our requirement? See carefully. Our requirement is H2 plus CO2 reversibly gives you H2O plus CO2. What I said, manipulate the equations. Chaliye. H2 is on the left hand side. Here it is on the right hand side. Listen this, how the method is to be done. H2 on the left hand side. Here it is on the right hand side. Okay. And H2 is 1 mole required. Here we are having 2 moles. Therefore, what I should do? Minus equation number 1 into 2. Okay. Plus, okay, I'll write from here, minus 1 into equation number, minus equation number 1 into 2. Okay. Then what is done? I have done only this part, H2. Ab yahan plus hai, add plus here. write down that word plus. चलिए अब CO2 available on the left hand side, right? Desired equation required on the left hand side, available on the left hand side, plus equation number 2. This is, say for example, equation number 1. This is equation number 2. No sir, we have requirement of 1 and here in this case we have 2. Okay, एक तरीका ऐसा है दोनों को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो बाद में हाफ करो, राइट? लेकिन ये लंबा जा रहा है. दिस इज वन मेथड आई एम मेकिंग लाइक दिस. नहीं सर, वी आर जीनियस, वी कैन गो इन सिंगल स्टेप. If you are doing like this, H2 on the left hand side, H2 on the right hand side, equation number 1, but dash minus. यहाँ 1 required है, यहाँ 2 available है, into half. ये एक तरीका है. शुरू से हाफ कर लीजिए, ये हो गया आपका खत्म. प्लस यहाँ है, लिख लीजिए. अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज अवेलेबल ऑन द लेफ्ट, अवेलेबल ऑन द लेफ्ट. Therefore, equation number 2 as it is with the plus sign. I am in need of 1. Availability is 2. This is called manipulation. अब करना क्या है? Second minus 1. What we have done? This implies we have done equation number 2 positively up, equation number 1 negatively. Here you have made half. Here also you have made half. No sir, I have not done like this. I have taken 2 minus 1. ये सब समझाने के लिए है. अदरवाइज जब आप करने बैठेंगे तो सब जंपिंग में करना, राइट? That means what we should do? We should say K2 by K1 subtract, and this is half. K2 14 10 power minus 3 minus 13 I can write. K1 2.1 10 power minus 13 I can write. Given answer is 2.58. 2.58 के करीब करीब जो है they are acceptable, but 3 is far away. 6.6 वाले शायद ये स्क्वायर रूट नहीं करे. Listen once again. You first of all see the demanded equation. Demanded equation. Manipulate the equations. अब ये manipulation अलग अलग तरीके से हो सकता. पहले मैं एक तरीका शुरू किया था, वैसा हो सकता या ऐसा हो सकता. But try to decrease number of steps. First of all, your eyes must be always on the demanded equation. I want hydrogen on the left. पहले position देखो, left. Here is it on the right, minus करना है. I am in need of 1, available is 2, half करना है. I am in need of carbon dioxide, left hand side, available on left hand side. I am in need of 1, but available is 2, multiply by half. If you are subtracting equation, जिसको माइनस कर रहे हैं वो नीचे जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, जिसको प्लस कर रहे हैं वो न्यूमरेटर में आएगा. इफ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 2. अच्छा, अगर ऐसा होता एक इक्वेशन को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, एक इक्वेशन को कुछ और कर रहे हैं आप. चलिए सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल सेकंड इक्वेशन को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करें, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. ठीक? नो 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 सर, सेकंड इक्वेशन को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करें, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें और दोनों को डिवाइड करें. जैसे चाल चलना है आपको, as ever the step what you are taking, go exactly in the same way what you are doing. Take down that those who have not attempted properly. Next. Shall I proceed? Please write down the correct answer. Those who are getting wrong answer, check your method where you are wrong and make it proper. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम। आई थिंक यू आर मोहम्मद खान। नो, अबरार है, ठीक है चलिए। बेटा आप अबरार लिख तो दिए, लेकिन आप नहीं समझे क्या है वो। दोनों नेगेटिव का मतलब समझे नहीं क्या है। मैनिपुलेशन का मतलब क्या बोला मैं आपको? यू हैव टू ऐड टू इक्वेशंस। दोनों नेगेटिव कैसा होंगे बेटा? यू हैव टू ऐड इक्वेशन बोला, यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन बोला, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय नंबर बोला, राइट? इसका मतलब खाली कुछ भी पूछना है बल्कि मत पूछिए, थोड़ा सा समझिए। समझिए, दोनों नेगेटिव नहीं आते। दोनों नेगेटिव का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? पहला भी नेगेटिव, दूसरा भी नेगेटिव। नेगेटिव कॉमन लेके उसको ऐड अप करना है। हमको नेगेटिव नहीं देखना है, हमको ऐड कर रहे हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करे वो देखना है। तो देखो मैं क्या किया, आई हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड। सब्ट्रैक्ट के लिए मैं एक सिस्टम बनाया वहां पे। वो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव आता है या पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव आता है या नेगेटिव नेगेटिव आता है, देखते जाओ। इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट के फॉर SO3 gives you SO2 plus half O2 is 1.5। चलो ठीक है। Find equilibrium constant K for 2SO2 plus O2 reversibly gives you 2SO3। ठीक है, ये एक अलग टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? द बुक विच आई एम फॉलोइंग हैज all series type of cases. He will deal very systematically different cases so that one can understand the subject in a proper way if interested. सिंपल है। दिस इज द इक्वेशन गिवन टू यू। अब ये देखो, इसका रिवर्स है, इसका रिवर्स है, मतलब के डैश इज इक्वल टू 1/k। नहीं नहीं सर, रिवर्स नहीं है। रिवर्स के साथ साथ मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 भी है। यहाँ 1 मोल ऑफ SO2 है, यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ हाफ है, यहाँ 1 है। ओके, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 है, बात खत्म हो गई। First, this is reverse of the given equation. So k dash is equal to 1/k. No, reverse भी कर रहा है, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई भी कर रहा है। तब क्या करेंगे? 1/k स्क्वायर, 1/1.5। चलिए समझो, जरा समझो, प्रॉब्लम के डायमेंशन को मत देखो, प्रॉब्लम को समझो कैसा डील कर रहे हैं। केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम इज अ वेरी scoring chapter, and especially for NEET students it is very important. Hello Sailesh.
खाली पूछा जी,
25 रुपए से लगा देता हूँ।
जान दे दो 60 रुपए का, जान दे दो 60 रुपए का देना 1 किलो।
स्वास्थ्य में बंद नहीं करता, मैं भूल जाता हूँ, मेरी धुन अलग रहती है, मैं कहीं और रहता हूँ पढ़ाते वक्त में, कि वो क्वेश्चन के रिदम में रहता हूँ, भूल जाता हूँ। तो एक इस वास्ते खुला रख के बात करता हूँ। इससे पहले खुला रख के बात करें तो आप में से एक शरीफ उन नफ्स इंसान ओए ओए बोल रहा था, मतलब वो पुराने शहर के ऑटो वाला था शायद क्लास में, इसलिए बंद करना शुरू किया, क्योंकि मैं अपने आप को चेंज करना हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग बदतमीज हैं बहुत सारे आपके, इसलिए। लेकिन मैं भूल जाता हूँ नुकसान किसका हो रहा, आपका हो रहा, उसकी आप लोगों को तमीज कम है, बहुत कम है। वो सिर्फ 2-3 बचे हुए हैं, बाकी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब सीधे हैं, अल्लाह का करम है। What he is saying 2a gives you I, and then we are having this to give you. मेरा अपना काम है, मेरे अपनी सिस्टम है, मैं आई एम टेकिंग एंजॉयमेंट अलॉन्ग विद बोथ ऑफ यू। आपको भी डील कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ मैनेजमेंट के प्रोसेस में भी इन्वॉल्व हूँ। यू हैव टू एंजॉय दैट थिंग इन ए पॉजिटिव वे। He is saying it is existing together. What is the meaning of together? Together means they are taken in single vessel. ऐसा होता है, but we are having two chemical reactions. ऐसे questions आते हैं। He said something K1, K2, ठीक है? This is K3 and this is K4. Okay. Now, what is the question? The question is find equilibrium constant. Find equilibrium constant for dash overall reaction. थोड़ा यहाँ टाइम लगता है, अच्छी तरीके से समझिए। Whenever we have such type of reactions, remember that this K1 and K2 are not equilibrium constants. They are rate constants. They are called rate constant. Go back to our notes where you have said what was that? Law of mass action, rate constant for the forward direction, rate constant for the backward direction, that we have taken. So this is to be taken as 2a. We should write in our systematic method, gives you I, this is K1, this is K2. By the way, this I is known as intermediate. This I, as you are intermediate between 10th class and doctorate and 10th class and scientific approach BTech, this is also called intermediate. अब इसको बोलेंगे rate constant K3, rate constant K4. What is K3? Rate constant for forward direction. What is K4? Rate constant for backward direction. अब ओवरऑल रिएक्शन के लिए हम क्या करना, ओवरऑल का मतलब ये है, ओवरऑल मींस ऑलवेज ऐड। मैनिपुलेशन कब होगा, व्हेन यू आर हैविंग डिमांडेड इक्वेशन, हियर देयर इज नो डिमांड। If suppose he has given third equation and then you have to manipulate it so as to get third equation, what to do with first and second equation. Here he is saying overall, simply add. When you are adding this, what will happen? Nothing will happen, sir. Simple. This is not available. Net reaction. What is net reaction? 2a gives you b plus c. Don't write anything here. Don't write anything. Right? Okay. Once you have this one, then our question is, we have to find out equilibrium constant for this reaction. How to proceed? What we have done? You have added the equations. Okay, job is over. When you are adding the equation, what you said? K resultant, K dash, equilibrium constant is equal to equilibrium constant for the first reaction, equilibrium constant for the second reaction. Now, what is equilibrium constant for the first reaction? Go back to definition. It is the ratio of rate constant to the forward and backward. That is K1. Yes, small k. Okay. This is small k1 and k2 into k2. What is k2? K2 is rate of forward, rate constant for the forward, rate constant for the backward reaction. This is your answer. Go ahead. Take down that. Is it clear? Any doubt? He is asking overall. Add up करो, simply add करो. But resultant equation आने के बाद equilibrium constant is equal to K1 by K2. अब जरा थोड़ा देख के बोलो, मैं यहाँ गलती कर रहा हूँ, वो गलती क्या है जल्दी से बोलिए। बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, There is a mistake I have done. What I have done here, I have taken, yes. Right. Okay, excellent, right? Very good. ये कब आएगा? जब आप माइनस करेंगे तब आएगा. You are not doing minus, right? Therefore, what we should do, very simple, sir. K dash is equal to K1 into K2. अब आप आंसर दीजिए. ये कैपिटल के है, ऐड किया हुआ है. What is K1? K1 is, this is K1 by K2. और ये क्या होगा? K3, K4. If you are getting after subtraction, वो मेथड सही था. If it is getting after addition, ये काम सही है. Go ahead, go ahead. You are running with basic problems. Make yourself strong in this. Over. Go ahead, write down. Very good. Come on. Let us go to next question. For the reaction, he has given the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives you ammonia. Kc is 0.5. Moles per mole square per liter square at 400 kelvins. Find Kp. Find Kp. This is second type of problem. Second type. एक type हो रहा देखिए. One case is over on second case. What is second case? Sir, nothing is there. We have relation Kp is equal to Kc RT power delta N. So first of all, what you have to do, whenever we have such type of chemical reactions, first your job is to check phases, right? Physical state. he will mention always physical state, but here we know it, therefore he has not given as it is. We can take like this. Okay, all are in the gas phase. Now Kp is equal to Kc RT power delta N. Simplest question with possibility of -1 mark. This delta N is gaseous substances. Kp is my job. Kc is 0.5. And let us check that this is moles per liter, moles per square, liter per square. So this is R. What is R? 0.0821, 1 by 12. थोड़ा सा इससे आंसर अलग आएगा, ये अप्रोक्सीमेट है. Otherwise we should take, sir, no, I want to go in a systematic way. Then take the exact value. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन सही करना. 0.0821 into temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is given as 400 Kelvin, as it is taken 400. आप गलती यहाँ करते हैं. What is this? Np minus Nr only for dash gaseous substances. तो ये हो गया 2 moles और ये हो गया 4 moles. 2 minus 4 power minus 2. अब careful करना. Power minus 2. Go ahead. इसको बंद कर लो, दो को. इसको बंद कर लो डोर पे. Zero point 0.0821 is difficult for calculation. Therefore, I'll avoid it. I'll take 1 by 12. I'll simplify and go ahead. Answer will be nearest. I'm having 4 options in front of me. I'll choose any one of them. वो एक अच्छा तरीका है, एक अच्छा अप्रोच है, राइट. लेकिन आंसर सही नहीं आ रहा है बोल के जो बच्चे टेंशन में रहते हैं उनको ये सही है. ठीक है बेटा, मेहनत करते रहो. 1 by 12 इज ए स्मार्ट वर्क, ये लेबर वर्क है. हमको टाइम सेव करना है. Yes, anybody to answer? (405 10 power minus 4). There is something wrong in calculation. जल्दी मत करो, आराम से करो, बट करेक्ट आंसर देना. Jasim, check. चलिए ठीक है, I don't waste time. We'll check up later on. 4.6 into 10 power minus 4. ठीक है. Now this is one thing. Second thing is the units. Atmosphere, Kp is an atmosphere. यहाँ पे क्या है? Atmosphere square. Here in this case, atmosphere to the power 4. तो क्या होगा? It is atmosphere to the power minus 2. Next. See this type of reaction question. For the reaction A plus B gives you C. For the reaction A plus B reversibly gives you 3C. A 3-liter vessel contains a 3-liter vessel contains 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 moles of A, B, and C. A, B, and C, respectively, at equilibrium. At equilibrium. No, not at equilibrium. I'm changing the problem. Respectively. Equilibrium to फौरी करेंगे आप. Right. Find direction of reaction. I'm changing the problem. Find direction of reaction if Kc is equal to 10. Now, this is a good question. Chaliye. You have to understand it. First of all, what I do, A plus B gives you 3C. Okay. Volume of reaction vessel is 3 liters. इसको हम बाद में use करेंगे. 1 mole, 2 mole, 4 moles of ABC are present at a certain time, but not at equilibrium. At a certain time. इसका मतलब time t is equal to t, but this is not equal to time of attainment of equilibrium. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे ऐसे. ओके, तब यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ 4 है. What is this? Moles. हमेशा याद रखो, हमको मोल्स नहीं लेना है, हमको कंसंट्रेशन लेना है. क्या होगा कंसंट्रेशन? 1/3, 2/3, 4/3, because concentration is equal to number of moles by volume of solution in liters. What is the meaning of concentration? Molarity. ठीक है, चलिए ये हो गया. अब he is saying predict the direction of reaction. Reaction is going to forward direction, reaction is going to backward direction, or reaction is at equilibrium. ये बताना. Go back to notes. In the notes we have said that if you want to predict the direction of reaction, you have to find out the value of something. What is this? Q is known as reaction quotient. Yes, we have said it, reaction quotient. Find out reaction quotient. What is reaction quotient? Concentration of C by concentration of A into concentration of B at any time other than time of attainment of equilibrium. Same thing is called K if time is equal to equilibrium. Now substitute the values of this and then find out the value of Q. What we have written in our notes, if suppose Q is less than K, equilibrium shifts to forward direction. Q is equal to K, reaction is at equilibrium. If it is more than K, equilibrium is shifting to backward direction. Go ahead. First, we have moles. Change the moles to concentration. Take care of that. Sometimes in hurry, in tension, in examination, we start directly with the moles without taking into account of volume, right? That is a mistake because we are discussing all in terms of concentration. Concentration. Equilibrium is shifting to backward direction. Abrarullah is saying that one, whereas Saidur Rahman is not saying anything. He has to say, Saidur Rahman, I am not asking about Q. I am asking about answer. Yes. Yes, you have to say like that. Now it's correct. Q is less than K. The value of Q is found to be 8. Right? Is it correct? 8. Abrarullah. You are saying it is backward. What is the meaning of backward? Backward means Q is more than K. Are you getting that one? Check properly. Saidul Rahman, also you have to check properly. Are you getting Q is equal to 8? 4 by 3 whole cube है. आराम से करो, आराम से करो. Abrarullah Khani, you are right, better. 32 by 3 you are getting. 32 by 3 means definitely more than 10. More than 10 means equilibrium is shifting towards backward direction. So those who are saying forward, I think there is some calculation mistake. Okay. Go ahead. What is Q? Q is equal to 10.66. Q is 10.66. Therefore, we have to say Q is more than K. Hence, the case is equilibrium is shifting to backward direction. Next. Take it down. Shall I proceed? Muhammad Khan, 4 by 3 whole cube is not required. That is not the question and that is not the solution. You have to say simply equilibrium shifts to forward direction or it is shifting to backward direction. And remaining things are unnecessary time waste. Next. We are doing science problems. They should be done in a proper way. I'm not asking you anything about 4 by 3 or 3 by 5. I am asking about check the value of Q. If it is less, if it is more, if it is equal, decide and tell me the response. Remaining thing are time pass as usual. Next question. Okay. Now see here, there is a reaction given to you. 2AB2 reversibly gives you 2AB plus B2. Right, and he has very systematically given all the things here because we don't know who is that fellow A and B. Therefore, he has given dissociation is going on with the degree of dissociation X. As you say alpha, he is using the word X, no problem. X, which is small compared to 1. He is also saying that degree of dissociation is very small as compared to 1. Okay, he is giving some hint. Now, he is talking about relation between degree of dissociation versus pressure. This is actually a subjective type of question, but I have taken this because we have to know how to get relation. Suppose, for example, if you have given some different type of equation, how to proceed. ठीक है, ये actually एक derivation type का discussion है. आप उस पर ध्यान मत दीजिए. आप अल्फा और पी का रिलेशन कैसे निकालना है वो सीखना है आपको, वो सीखिए. चलिए, we are having 2AB2 gives you 2AB plus B2. Method very systematic. Time t is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. Because degree of dissociation is always something out of 1. Something out of 1. Okay. So time t is equal to t. अब यहाँ देखो कैसे लिखना है. 1 minus alpha. यहाँ 2 moles है, यहाँ भी 2 moles है. Alpha. यहाँ 1 mole है. Alpha by 2. This is the systematic correct approach to go. Always whenever we are doing chemical equilibrium problem, start with 1 if not given. If he is giving some moles, you have to go accordingly. Now you have to write Kp. Right? Why Kp? It is gas phase reaction, therefore Kp. Okay. How to proceed? right? I think you have done something in your notes that, sir, this is equal to, are you able to recall? What is that? Number of moles of AB square, number of moles of B2 power 1, number of moles of AB2 square into कुछ याद आ रहा है, we have taken PT by whole power delta n. This is the way with which we proceed. चलिए अब KP. How to proceed for KP? Very simple, sir. Substitute the values in a systematic manner so that you should not have any common mistake. Number of moles of AB at equilibrium alpha square, मतलब x square है, यहाँ पे x square है, into number of moles of B2 alpha by 4, square नहीं करना है, by number of moles of this 1 minus alpha square. But whenever 1 minus alpha comes, you have to neglect it, make it as 1 because he is saying it is very much less than 1 into PT होना है. All right, by sigma n. What is sigma n? This is total number of moles at equilibrium. Remember this. Total number of moles at equilibrium. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? This implies, बोलो, 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 2 plus alpha. ये कैंसिल हो गया. 1 plus alpha by 2 total number of moles. यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? 1 plus alpha by 2. ये हो गया सिग्मा n. ऊपर एक चीज है डेल्टा n. डेल्टा n यहाँ से देखेंगे 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, ये 1 हो गया. अब जहाँ 1 plus अल्फा है कैंसिल हो जाएगा, नेग्लेक्ट होगा. जहाँ 1 minus अल्फा है नेग्लेक्ट होगा. If you take this two up in the case, then it will be number available 2 plus alpha बनेगा. ये 2 plus alpha is also cancelled because alpha is negligible. So ये cancel हो जाएगा, ये cancel हो जाएगा. We are having left out with only those things. चलिए, I think you can do it. By PC students, don't be afraid of this one. Simple है, कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. आराम से करना. ये 2 ऊपर आ गया. नीचे कौन बढ़ गया? 2 plus अल्फा. अब ये जो 2 plus अल्फा है ये नेग्लिजिबल है, ये नेग्लिजिबल है, ये 2 से कैंसिल हो गया. राइट, तब आपके पास बच गया कौन? अलग अलग निकालते जाओ. अल्फा क्यूब, ये यहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे 2kp इज इक्वल टू अल्फा क्यूब इंटू पीटी. नहीं सर, हमको तो अल्फा क्यूब चाहिए. नहीं सर, हमको अल्फा चाहिए. कैसा लिखते हैं? एमपीसी वाले ऐसा बोलते हैं इसको, क्यूब रूट बोलते हैं ना इसको, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2kp पीटी, या एमपीसी वाले ऐसा लिखते हैं. चलिए, yes, Muhammad Khan, you are genius. You are genius, right? Because you don't think and say. आप बुरा मत मानो बेटा, आप दिमाग इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, सब टाइम पास करना चाह रहे हैं. मोहम्मद खान is saying there is B2, therefore we have to square it. I have to clap on this statement. Why, sir? AB को स्क्वायर करें आप तो B2 को भी स्क्वायर करना चाहिए, right? And he has a double question mark as if he's asking me to question. गधा है. खैर चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. बहुत समझाया, वो बच्चे को समझ में आना नहीं है, उसको टाइम पास करना. पहले क्वेश्चन देखो बेटा, पहले क्वेश्चन देखो, क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है देखो, उसके बाद में चैट बॉक्स पे जाने की हिम्मत करो, ठीक है। मेरी क्लास में चैट बॉक्स पे नहीं आना, नहीं आना, बहुत 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 जरूरत है, आंसर लिखना है तो ही आना। ये जो है ना, ये ऐसा है क्या वैसा है क्या, ये सब बेकार चीजें हैं, वो मेरी क्लास में मुनासिब नहीं रहते। दर्शक को समझा दिया, नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो क्लास छोड़ के चले जाना, आपको मैं दावत नहीं दिया। जब क्लास शुरू हुई थी 3 बजे 75 स्टूडेंट्स थे, अब 69 है, भाग गए, आप भी भाग जाना, उसमें रहने की क्या जरूरत है। अब जिनको जरूरत है वो लोग बेचारे आखिर तक रहते हैं, काम करते हैं। आपको प्रॉब्लम देखना ही नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ टाइम पास करने के लिए आना है। हाउ कैन यू से b2 स्क्वायर, 2 सब्सक्रिप्ट है बेटा, वो मोल्स थोड़ी है, मोल्स रहा तो स्क्वायर बनता। ओके चलिए, इज इट ओवर। आराम से कूल रहना, क्लास में पहले कूल रहना, उसके बाद बात करने की हिम्मत करना। Okay, the answer is supposed to be simply, we are talking in terms of relation, right? It is not a number. Muhammad Jafar Ali, it is not a number. This is the answer. Cube root of 2kp by pt. Fine. Is it over? Go ahead. We are not discussing about a number here. We are deriving a relation between alpha and pt. Actually, अब ये क्या होता, चलिए, those who are learning sincerely, ये क्या होता है actually, इसके बाद में ऐसा होता, alpha is equal to, ये तो constant है, what is that, kp is constant, 2 is constant, तो alpha is proportional to 1 by, ये ऐसा होता, pt power 1/3। ठीक है। अब आगे चल के IIT एडवांस में क्या होता है, ये अल्फा 1/α2 होल क्यूब, अगर मैं ऐसा लिखा तो इट बिकम्स pt2/pt1। ये है, ये प्रॉब्लम बनता है, दिस इज प्रॉब्लम। ये रिलेशन, ये डॉक्टर्स के लिए आता क्वेश्चन, खत्म हो गए यहाँ पे। ये साइंटिस्ट के लिए आगे बढ़ता है, वो ही विल गिव यू लाइक दिस, इसको आप यहाँ क्यूब लिखो, नहीं सर आई वांट टू राइट डाउन क्यूब हियर, अल्फा 1/α2 इज इक्वल टू क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस, pt2/pt1। ये अगर आप यहाँ लिख रहे हैं तो इसको क्या करना, 3 यहाँ आके 1/, यहाँ प्रॉब्लम बनता है, दिस इज प्रॉब्लम। Hope I have clarified the system very clearly. Remaining questions we'll do in the next class. I don't know whether you are having tomorrow class or not. Please keep in touch with your in charge. If it is available, we'll take. Otherwise, it is not possible. ठीक है? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.